Z from Z.Speak, and this is Taalem English course. Hello, and welcome back to Taalem English Podcast. I am your host Z, and this is lesson 1. In today's lesson, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English. في الدرس الأول سنتعلم كيف نعرف بأنفسنا في اللغة الإنجليزية. لكن قبل كل شيء يجب أن نتعلم كيف نلقي التحية في اللغة الإنجليزية. In English, you can greet people by saying hello or hi. Hello is used in formal or informal greeting. يعني في التحية الرسمية أو الغير رسمية. Hi is used in informal greeting and often in casual conversation. يعني hi تستخدم في التحية الغير رسمية والحوارات الغير رسمية مع الأهل والأصدقاء. So, hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Hi. Repeat. Hi. Now, how do we introduce ourselves? In English, we use I am. I am. Repeat. I am. For example, hello, I am Z. Or, hi, I am Z. Now it's your turn. Use hi or hello plus I am plus your name. مثلا, hello, I am Z. Well done. Very good. مثال آخر. Hi, I am Z. Very good job. Well done. Now, I am هي نفسها my name is. يعني أنا أقول hello, I am Z أو hi, my name is Z. نفس الشيء. Okay? Now your turn. I want you to use hello, I am plus your name و hi, my name is plus your name. Listen and repeat. Hello, I am Z. You? Good. Hi, my name is Z. You? Very good. Well done. Now, I am can be used in contracted form. في اللغة الإنجليزية المتحدثين يستخدمون الصيغة المختصرة أو ما نسميه contracted form أو contractions. يعني I am تصبح I'm و my name is تصبح my names وهذا يجعلك واثق في نفسك. يعني أنا أقول I am Z أو I'm Z. I'm I am تصبح I'm Z. I'm Z. دورك. Very good. Very good. Now, let's use my name is. My name is Z. أو my name's Z. My name's Z. مثال آخر. My name is ليلى. My name is ليلى. والصيغة المختصرة تصبح My name's ليلى. My name's ليلى. Your turn. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, bravo. I think we're getting there. We learned greeting, hello or hi, and introducing ourselves. I am أو I'm و my name is or my names. Now, How can we spell our names or others in English? We use the term, how do you spell your name? So, before we talk about spelling our name, let's learn first name, last name, and full name. سنتخيل أن شخصية اليوم هي ليلى أحمد. ليلى is first name and Ahmed is last name. ليلى أحمد is full name. First name هو الاسم الأول و last name هو اسم العائلة. أما full name هو الاسم الكامل. In English, we can say last name or surname or family name. So, how do you spell your first name? My name's Layla. L-A-Y-L-A. How do you spell your last name? Ahmed. A-H-M-E-D. How do you spell your full name? Layla Ahmed. L-A-Y-L-A. A-H-M-E-D. Layla Ahmed. Now, let's practice. Please pause after every question and try to answer. 1. How do you spell your first name? 2. How do you spell your last name? 3. How do you spell your full name? I think that's it. Great job! Now, let's learn how to pronounce the alphabet. I'm going to say the letters and I want you to repeat after me. This will help you spell your name correctly. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's it. You can go back and listen again and repeat until you master the proper pronunciation. Keep practicing. Before we go to the next part, which is talking about your nationality, let's have a little summary. In English, to greet people, we use hello or hi. To introduce yourself, you can use I am or my name is. or you can use the contracted form I'm or my names. Now, how to spell your name? To ask the question, you can say, how do you spell your first name للاسم الأول? How do you spell your last name لاسم العائلة? Last name is family name is surname. يعني عندها نفس المعنى. Or how do you pronounce your full name أي الاسم الكامل. Now, how to talk about your country or nationality. If you want to talk about your country, you use from. يعني تستخدم نفس صيغة التعريف I am زائد from. Example, I am from Canada. Canada is the country. I am from Canada. أو I am from Japan. This is how to talk about your country. Now, how do we talk about nationality أو الجنسية? I am from Japan is the country. I am Japanese is the nationality. مثال آخر, I am from Russia. I am Russian nationality. We have other nationalities. Please listen and repeat. After that, we are going to use an example to understand better. USA, country. American, nationality. Canada, Canadian. Mexico, Mexican. Brazil, Brazilian. Argentina, Argentinian. UK, British. France, French. Russia, Russian. Egypt, Egyptian. China, Chinese. Pakistan, Pakistani. And much, much more. Now, listen to my example and do the same for yourself. I will greet, say my name, my country, and my nationality. Let's start. We will use Layla Ahmed. Okay? Hello. I'm Layla. I'm from Egypt. I am Egyptian. Let's use Ahmed. Hello. My name's Ahmed. I am from Turkey. I am Turkish. Now it's your turn. Pause and greet, introduce yourself, and say your nationality. Well done! This was it for today's episode. This was lesson 1. I am your host Z. Keep practicing and happy learning. Thank you for listening. And remember to follow me for more fun and easy English lesson. See you next time.